The National Electrical Code, specifically Section 210.8A, addresses ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI, protection for personnel. This section mandates GFCI protection for all 125-volt, single-phase, 15 and 20 ampere receptacles installed in certain locations. These locations are firstly, bathrooms, secondly, kitchens, thirdly, garages, fourthly, outdoors, fifthly, crawl spaces, and sixthly, unfinished basements. Therefore, the requirement to install GFCI protection for receptacles in a garage is indeed covered in the NEC. Regarding OSHA, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, it is true that they can ask for things to be brought up to modern codes. However, their enforcement power is limited to violations of OSHA standards. OSHA cannot directly force compliance with the NEC or other codes simply because they are the latest versions. OSHA's authority stems from its own set of standards designed to ensure a safe and healthy workplace for employees. These standards may reference or incorporate elements of other codes like the NEC, but OSHA's enforcement actions are based on violations of its own regulations. If a company or organization is cited for an OSHA violation, they have the right to contest the citation. This contestation allows the organization to argue that the cited standard does not apply to this specific workplace or that they have already taken adequate steps to protect their employees from the identified hazard. The outcome of such a contest depends on the specific circumstances and evidence presented. To summarize, while OSHA can recommend or request upgrades to meet current codes, their enforceable power lies in addressing violations of their own safety and health standards. The NEC mandates GFCI protection in garages for 125-volt, single-phase, 15 and 20 ampere receptacles. OSHA can only cite violations of OSHA standards and can be contested.